Hagaya channel with me, Peppy.
Hi guys! What are you chewing?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. And what did you ask Santa for Christmas?
Gumballs.
Gumballs! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So what are we going to be doing today, Penelope?
Open presents.
Open up presents! So we're actually going to be opening up a Lovevery box. So if you guys are not familiar with Lovevery, they are a Montessori-based toy subscription box. They are amazing. You've had toys like this before, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and do you love them?
Yeah.
They're some of your favorite toys, aren't they? Yeah! And how old are you? 2. So it's December 17th today, which actually, if you guys...
Mommy?
Who's who?
Who's that?
It's the YouTube fam.
Is it Caleb?
Yeah, kind of like how you watch Caleb. But I actually, at the time of filming this, today is Ori's due date, huh? Your little brother's supposed to be here today, but he's not. So we're going to be opening up presents. So come here, Papoose. So we have the Observer Kit here, which is for months 37, 38, and 39. They break it up by age, which is perfect. They specifically select age-appropriate toys that are all really good for their development. So, you're ready to get in here, aren't you? You ready to open up the toy box? Yeah?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go! Okay, what do you see in here first?
Happy.
Oh, does that look like Penelope? So there's a little girl playing. What is that? Oh my gosh. Show the camera. Show them and tell them what it does and what it is.
Spin the wheel. And spin. You can turn this around. And spin this. And move this.
So cool. So, yes, do you know what this is? This is called a weather board.
And you have to see inside.
So we can talk about the weather. Oh my gosh, so cool. She clearly loves it. What? I knew you would love that. Show them on the camera. What is it?
A car.
A car. And what else is it?
It's the...
Oh my goodness. Do you know what this is?
Yes.
Look.
Oh, we know what's in there.
You know what's in there? What's in there? What is this, babe?
A house.
It's a little toy house, you guys. That is one thing that she has been really into. Is this cool, babe?
I know it's in there.
Yeah? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think it comes with a little slide. But basically it's just a little pretend house, and her big cousin has, thank you, baby. Her big cousin has a bunch of these at her house, and she is so obsessed with little doll houses right now. So it comes with this adorable little doll house. So cute. You can pull it out.
I know it's in there.
You do? What's in there? Look, isn't this cute?
Yeah.
It's kind of like Tan has, huh? And it also comes with this little car and these little people. Oh, look, it's a mommy and a baby. How cute. They're little people and they can live in the house. Thank you. So really, really cute. And everything's like made of wood. Really good quality products. Also, I forgot to mention that this video is not sponsored, but they do send us the boxes to review on here for you guys. But, you know, if I was not a fan of something, I probably wouldn't continue to review it as often. What's this you found? But I have nothing but good things to say about Lovevery every single time. Oh, what's this? Does this go with our weatherboard? I think it does.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
Remember the house.
Look, and it comes with keys to your house.
I want the house first.
You want to play with the house first? You got it, Lovey. I'll put it right over here for you. Look, and there's a garage for the car. You can put the car in there. And here's your house.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Isn't that so cool?
Yes.
Yes!
It is it. Now, I picked out the keys.
You want the keys to your house? Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where'd your other little guy go?
Now,
And then, like, you can even stack this house up that way. That is so cool, you guys. This dollhouse, like, you can... Watch, let me show you on this little card here. But you can kind of stack it and build it multiple ways. And they can be creative with it. Oh, my God. Just these two alone, I'm like, this is so cool. So, yeah, weatherboard and the dollhouse and the little car so far. Oh, excuse me. And digestion. We also have these really cute left and right shoe stickers. So we've actually already been working on left and right with her. Well, Jessie has. Like putting her feet in her pants after she goes to the bathroom. So this is another good way to teach her left and right. You just put these on the bottom of the stickers, I think. Or on the bottom of their feet. Let me see, actually. Every Lovevery box comes with this little packet that tells you what everything is, how to use it, and all of that good stuff. Okay, here we go. So that's perfect. It actually goes on the inside of their shoes, and you can start teaching them left and right foot. So that is really, really cute. Also, look, Papoose. What are these?
Books.
Books, they're new ones. Do you love these kind of books?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do, huh? She is really into this little house, you guys, and the keys and locking the door. What's in there? You think there's something in there?
Yes.
Oh, this is so cool. Go ahead, open it. I think I know what it is.
Hey, you open it.
You want some help?
And then grab it, okay?
Okay, I'll open it and you take it out. That sounds good
There's
to
one
me.
more left.
And there's one more left. Cute. And make sure to show the camera. What is that?
Stairs.
Stairs for what?
Right here.
For your house, huh? And do you know what this is? It's a little bed. Show them. Can we show them? So it's a little bed and her little people can sleep in it. Isn't that so cute?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is awesome. Like, she's gonna be playing with this for a really long time. I'm so excited. So, anyways, clearly she's into that. But she actually loves these little Lovevery books. What's nice about them is they are very age appropriate. So right now, they're toddlers. She's almost 3 years old, so she's learning about her feelings. So this one says 2 big feelings, angry and sad. This one is happy either way, happy and worried. And then this one is quiet my body for when you're frustrated and what it means to be calm as well. And what's nice about these little books is they, like, for example, these are the first books that she got where it's not quite paper, but it's not quite cardboard either. It's kind of like a very thick material, and before they were board books. So now she's graduating into like official books and everything. So it has just the right amount of words that they can retain and everything like that. The realistic pictures, she loves. These are literally her favorite books. They know what they're doing when they formulate these toys because clearly it's things that this age group likes. And lastly, what we have is, let's see, oh, how cute. So these are wooden emotion dolls, which is so cute. Look at this. What kind of faces are they making?
Sad faces, happy faces, mad faces and screaming faces.
Screaming faces, and how about that one?
Sad faces.
Sad faces.
And sheep faces.
Yeah! So, oh my god, this is so cool, you guys. It's a way to teach them emotions. And there's, let's see.
One yet.
Clearly there's, I think this one might be nervous and this one might be frustrated maybe. And I like kind of, and this one's sad, obviously. Happy when you feel like you're on top of the world. Mad. These are so cute. And again, like it's totally age appropriate, like teaching them about their emotions and how to co-regulate themselves and everything like that.
And I got to take them out and you organize them, okay?
Sure. Take them out and organize them. That's a good idea. What do you think, Papoose? Do you like your new toys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to tell anybody anything about them?
No.
No, you just want to play with them?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But anyways, that is what is in her box. And let's see. The Observer box was the name of it again.
Sad face. Mimi face.
Anyways, I will leave a link to Lovevery in the description box if you guys are interested. They make perfect gifts, perfect like birthday or probably by the time you're watching this, Christmas is over. But
Come on.
she just seriously, like, her favorite toys are Lovevery toys, so that's why I'm happy to show her, bring her on here for you guys so you guys can see. But anyways, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch our review and unboxing. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, morning, whatever time it is. And probably the next video will be my birth vlog, so stay tuned for that. Say bye-bye. Say we'll catch you in the next video.